Chamomile tea, made from the dried flowers of the chamomile plant, is a popular herbal drink known for its calming and soothing properties. 2. It has been used for centuries as a traditional folk remedy for a variety of health issues. 3. While more research is needed to fully understand its effects, many of the purported benefits are supported by a growing body of scientific evidence. 4. Here are some of the key benefits of chamomile tea. 5. Promotes sleep and relaxation. Chamomile contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to specific receptors in the brain, believed to help reduce anxiety and initiate sleepiness. 6. Aids digestion. Chamomile tea may help soothe the digestive tract and relieve common issues like indigestion, bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. Its anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties can help relax the muscles of the gut. 7. Reduces stress and anxiety. The same apigenin that helps with sleep is also thought to have a calming effect on the nervous system, which may help reduce stress and anxiety. 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chamomile is rich in antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory effects. This may help reduce inflammation in the body and provide relief from symptoms of inflammatory conditions. 9. Supports heart health. Some studies suggest that the flavonoids in chamomile tea may contribute to cardiovascular health by helping to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. 10. Helps manage diabetes. Regular consumption of chamomile tea may help with blood sugar management. Some research indicates it can help improve glycemic control in people with diabetes. 11. Boosts the immune system. The antioxidant and antimicrobial properties of chamomile tea may help strengthen the immune system, making it easier for the body to fight off infections like the common cold. 12. Skin health. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can also be beneficial for the skin. It can be used topically to help soothe skin irritations, reduce redness, and treat conditions like acne and eczema. 13. Potential side effects. While generally considered safe for most people, some individuals should exercise caution or avoid chamomile tea. 14. Allergies. If you have an allergy to plants in the daisy family Asteraceae, such as ragweed, marigolds, daisies, or chrysanthemums, you may have an allergic reaction to chamomile. 15. Blood thinners. Chamomile may have mild blood thinning effects, so consult a doctor if you are taking blood thinners like warfarin. 16. Pregnancy. It's often recommended that pregnant individuals and those with a history of severe allergies consult a healthcare provider before consuming chamomile tea. 17. Note: while chamomile tea is a popular and generally safe remedy, more potent forms like essential oils and supplements may require more caution. 18. Closing. Chamomile tea is widely loved for its calming and health-supporting properties. Use it responsibly and consult a healthcare professional when in doubt. Short benefits list, quick voice lines. 1. Promotes better sleep. Naturally calming and helps improve sleep quality. 2. Relieves stress and anxiety. Contains apigenin, which relaxes the nervous system. 3. Supports digestion. Soothes stomach discomfort, bloating, and indigestion. 4. Boosts immunity. Rich in antioxidants that help fight infections. 5. Reduces inflammation, may ease joint pain and swelling. 6. Soothes sore throat and cold. Warm tea can calm irritation and ease symptoms. 7. Promotes healthy skin. 8. Eases menstrual pain. Acts as a natural muscle relaxant to reduce cramps. 9. Improves heart health. Antioxidants may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. 10. Helps control blood sugar. May improve insulin regulation in the body. 11. Supports eye health. Warm or cooled tea bags can soothe tired or puffy eyes. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching the video.